Recording in
Hi, everybody. It is my absolute privilege to welcome you to this recording. I haven't done a recording in a while, but it is now official. Ladies and gentlemen, Ananta X Global Club, your membership will now buy you gold. How cool is that? Real, regulated, and automatic. So from this month, from December, all payments made, a portion of your membership will be allocated to a separate part, which when we change over to the new wallets, which will hopefully be in the first, from the 1st of February, all these funds will automatically be put over to your new gold wallet. So this is Ananta X, the world's first prosperity ecosystem. 10 core benefits, one system, no waiting. That is the AnantaX prosperity ecosystem. My name is Frick. I'm the founder of AnantaX, and I'm here to say welcome. In the next few minutes, I'm going to quickly run through not all the detail about what this is. It's a community full of excitement, real people, real stories, a powerful platform with clear goals, big rewards, a safe, supportive community. And here's a question: what if this community can change the way you live, connect, and succeed? So, knowledge is power. A couple of minutes, because this might be what you were looking for. So life is tough. Everything costs more. Opportunities is fewer. Securities, what is that? Is uncertain. Scams are thriving and people are falling for it. The system is broken. What if I told you Ananta X could change everything for you without selling, no stock, all safe and secure with no risk? Our vision to empower thousands, not just building, but crafting an enduring legacy. And we are going to fix, no. We are fixing the broken system, continually expanding. And please note, Ananta X can complement any existing business or opportunity, including network marketing, because we are not the enemy. AnantaX was built to complement and through the core benefits, empower those people, especially in the network marketing world, to give them some stability. Full access from day one, whether people are experiencing financial strain, hardworking middle class, professionals seeking security, or entrepreneurs, and even for groups, stockhouses, churches, organizations, and schools, and especially in the MLM arena. Founded November 2022, fully, comprehensively FSP compliant and regulated. Benefit Club, it helps you save, protect your family, and quietly stacks gold every month. All FSP compliant. So Natex is the only membership club in the world where you can save more than you pay, protect your family with real benefits, and grow your wealth automatically in gold. Closer look very quickly on the three pillars. This is what Ananta X is built on: save, protect, and grow. So these are unshakable pillars that makes us different, makes us stable, and makes us unstoppable. Pillar one, save. We got the wallet, the grocery coupons, call the teacher, education discounts, short-term group discounts, and additional benefits with all the savings added to it. To protect you, funeral arrangement, emergency assist, short-term group discounts, the additionals, the automation, the auto gold accumulation, and the three to grow is the wallet, which now includes the wealth benefit. The travel club, embedded in our funeral option, is over 250 courses. Going to give you some info on that. Our rewards program, Anantax Academy, and our unique and powerful five-step system. So what makes Ananta unique? In core benefits from day one: no selling, no distribution, not direct selling. There's no risk, no value for money, benefits for the whole family, no capital investment, unlimited income potential, training incorporated, free as part of your membership. We do not pay for training at Ananta X. Duplication system, no hidden agenda, and no decline in active income. Let's take a quick look at the 10 core benefits. We've got our virtual wallet, our e-wallet, which now includes and will include the wealth growth benefit. You will receive very soon a cash wallet that is you can use as a bank account with prepaid services, electricity, DSTV, airtime, and data. A gold wallet and a silver wallet, both one-to-one backed by a physical commodity. But for Nantex members, a portion of your membership will buy you gold every month. From this month, that portion will already actually from last month, those portions are already allocated. And when we move over, hopefully the 1st of February, then that will just be transferred into your gold benefit. Come on. Come on. Anyway, let's go through this. Oh, we still got our grocery coupons at major retail stores, stuff that we use and buy every single day, every single month, now been upgraded to 3,000 Rand per month, available in grocery discounts. Funeral arrangement talk time. If you, when an Ananta member pass away, the beneficiaries or the family will receive 240 hours of talk time, Android phone loaded with 10 gigs of data as a gift, and 1,000 Rand food voucher. Number 4, our concierge style travel club, accommodation, flights, car rentals, and bus bookings, unbeatable. Number 5, emergency assist, private ambulance for life-threatening events and accidents for the main member, including helicopters, road, air, doesn't matter. And then for your family, a 24-hour medical helpline for anything from first aid, symptoms, health counseling, stress management, even travel information and substance abuse. Number 6, group discount on short-term insurance. They will fight for the best quotes, private and business. And as far as I know, the most they have ever saved a client, an Ananta X member, is over 1,400 Rand a month. Anyway, discount number 7, benefit number 7, education discounts through CTU College, discretionary 10% over 900 courses. What is education worth? What parent wouldn't want their children to have access to private tutorship? What parent does not want the best education possible for their children? Introducing Ananta X Call the Teacher. They will help them with homework problems, project defining, and research. Available all subjects, all grades, and all major South African languages. That's 48 hours per month that your children can get access to private tutors to help them. Number 9 is the additional benefits that will keep on growing to bring you and me, the Ananta X members, the best of the best. Included already is our Ananta X Academy, health for all, funeral for all, property referral rewards, free last will and testament, and even bond originating services. Our funeral options, family and single, up to 8 members, 5 up to 30,000 Rand cover, up to the age of 85. Our waiting period benefit for the funeral is under 65, only 4 months, over 65, only 7 months. It's a beneficiary payout, Ananta X support included, starting from as little as 60 Rand per month. Now, we have embedded into this benefit at no extra cost to you, the Ananta X members, an education platform, over 250 courses from entrepreneurship, fitness, health, internet marketing, personal growth, productivity, and web design. Eating Health Pro, 389 Rand. LinkedIn Marketing, 359 Rand. Born to Succeed, 195 Rand. Free Facebook Traffic Strategies, 449 Rand. How to Become an Influencer, 490 Rand per course. Better Habits, 359 Rand. Artificial Intelligence up, AI up, 349 Rand. Miraculous Fruit and Vegetables, 349 Rand. Over 250 courses is now embedded into your funeral plan at no extra cost to you, the member. Come on, this valued at over 50, more than 50,000 Rand. There's over 100 of these courses that I will do personally. I don't know when, but I will. I'll make time. Nantex Health for All, it's a health benefit that is power. Power. It includes a panic button, an app that you can search for doctors, unlimited doctor visits, minor procedures covered, unlimited nurse consultations and telemedicine consultations, unlimited acute and chronic medication, private hospital cover to the value of 1.6 million Rand per incident, unlimited, basic and emergency dentistry, optometry, vaccination program, and more, starting from as little as 340 Rand per month. No waiting period, no exclusions. We have what we call a 1-month registration period just to get you on. Once you're on, you can access everything. No waiting. In the pipeline, international expansion, online store, dialers, vet products, legal, accounting, property, and more. But it's all about the product. Because Anantex offers something for everybody. So I believe there's 3 options because you have full control. But here's a question. Do you want a free membership? Think about that question. If the answer is no, 100%. Because the membership is powerful enough with the savings, the benefits, the additionals to get back and even save more than your whole membership. Option 2, yes, we have our Bring 4, Worry No More. Introduce 4 families into these benefits, premium benefits, and your membership will be covered. Option 3, yes, but I can see more. I want this. What if Anantex can become more than a benefit? What if it can become a career, your legacy, your freedom? Well, it can. Number 10, our referral rewards. You get a unique link. If you're happy, you can start sharing that. You can create an income, your expenses into an income. And if you decide to help, empower, and invest in yourself and others with the help of the Anantex Academy and our unique 5-step system, you will unlock your reward. Direct reward, people you assist, level or milestone rewards, people they assist, and even on selected additional benefits, there will be rewards coming next year. 2026. Our rewards program is a uni-level. You can introduce as many people as you want, and you get rewarded 5 levels deep. That means, so we talk about milestones. Milestone 1 is I'm going to get my 4, help 4 other families. My membership is covered. Milestone 2, help them do what I did. All the benefits, you're earning over 800 Rand. They do the same, you're earning over 3,000. They do the same, and they do the same. You're earning over 23,000 Rand a month by introducing something to somebody that everybody needs. Here's a quick question. If I could show you a way to get gold every month, would you look? Who can say no to that? I said unlimited, uncapped. If everybody just help one more family, your income shoots up to 65,000 Rand a month. Now let's talk about gold. I've got my 4. My membership is covered. That means I'm now getting gold for free. Milestone 2, we had a whole talk about financial management, financial planning, where 10% of your income should be invested. For me and my family, this is what I'm going to do. 10% into gold. Next milestone, 10% into gold. That's what I'm doing. And Anantex can help you follow your dreams because most programs will limit people. And Anantex, we believe in fairness and freedom. You can connect as many people as you like. That unlocks unlimited worth. No product sales, no stock, and no hidden agenda. It's simply about sharing benefits and growing together. Ranks and recognition, ladies and gentlemen, as you grow, we want to be able not to thank you, but to recognize you. So we build in ranks. Manager to manager, 3-star. These are the minimum incomes, minimum. And these people, so for example, manager 1-star, it says 5 personals and 10 anywhere in your team, in your 5 levels or milestones. That's 15 people in your team. From senior manager, it changes. Now we now introduce quarterly incentives. Up to manager 4-star, where you'll be earning an income, 16,000 Rand minimum, plus 25,000 Rand every quarter. How every quarter? I'm going to show you. From diamond to crown, it changes. We're now going to travel. This is an all, and I mean all, expenses paid trip for you and a partner from when you leave your house. So local cruises, international cruises, yacht cruises, Madagascar, Mauritius, Indonesia, Malaysia, from Double Diamond. It's now for you, your spouse, your partner, and your children. Family, all expenses paid trip. We're not paying for the boyfriends, but we will pay for your kids. Anyway, we were thinking Brazil and Cuba, Mexico, Dubai, Fiji, Paris, Abu Dhabi. So what does quarterly mean? It means if and when you hit the rank, the volume for a specific rank, as long as you maintain that volume, not qualified for the next one yet. Next quarter, if you've maintained it, you get the incentive again. 3 months later, if you've still got the volume, you get the incentive again. That means, I always tell people, on your bucket list should be diamond. 1,500 people is nothing with what we have. We're talking about auto gold accumulation. Come on. So when you qualify and just hold that volume, you've got 4 paid holidays in the bank. Think about that. We got some tools to help you. The Nante X roadmap, the daily tracker, one-on-one folders, the 5-step system where we just ask questions, the Nantex Academy that will make you feel empowered, confident, excited, and connected. We've got power sessions and trainings available, and we focus on everything from financial, emotional, spiritual, mental, physical, dreams, vision, and everything in between. And Nantex is about lifestyle and gold, incentives and gold, travel and gold, and I'm not being sarcastic. Imagine you had the opportunity 2 years ago, 5 years, 10, 20 years ago to have gold, access to gold every single month. What would your life have been like today? Everybody's moving somewhere. Anantex is a vehicle that can help you get there faster, fully FSP compliant, with no competition, because we are not in competition with anybody. This is a membership club. What did you like the most? Well, I liked all of them and the gold. And I'm being honest. It's just, I mean, how many of us has tried and given this and that and, sturdy, didn't work. Come on. If I could get all the money back that I have invested, yes, I'm doing the air aanhalingstekens. Invested, I could almost retire. Think about that. Now I'm going to go into gold. Why? Gold, stable. There's no risk. Whatever happens, gold has been the most stable commodity in history over the terms. There's no risk. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, all of this, savings. I'm here to tell you, if you look at the whole package, with what's coming and what is available, you are talking at over, if you look at the 250 because everybody must have a funeral plan in any way. We have to have it. Included in that, you're looking at over 50,000 Rand a month in value for you and me, and only 400 Rand a month, which most of that can be recovered through earnings and savings. So next year, we will do the countdown and we will start really introducing this. We got a member support center out there to help you. Very, very soon, we'll have 2 support centers. So, ladies and gentlemen, people are looking, people are searching and hunting for safe and solid ideas, not scams and traps, to help them make, earn, and save with no hidden agendas. And at AnantaX, we have the best solution. Get back to the person that sent you this video. Get a link, register, start enjoying, and start accumulating gold for you and your future. Remember, AnantaX is more than a membership. It is a movement that turns struggle into strength, effort into freedom, today's disciplines into tomorrow's legacy. Together, we are building a future that generations will thank us for.